More than 90% of drivers are quietly bleeding money on repairs and detailing that a few household items could have stopped cold. One overlooked move can block the exact jobs shops and mechanics cash in on every month. They never hand you these shortcuts. So before another repair bill hits, here are 15 car hacks most owners have never tried that can keep thousands in your pocket. Number 15. Whitening your tires with baking soda. Your sidewalls look brown and lifeless no matter how hard you scrub. A detail shop will gladly take $40 to $80 to make them black again. Mix baking soda with a splash of dish soap and just enough water to form a thick paste. Work it into the rubber with an old toothbrush or stiff brush using firm circles. Let it sit 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. The mild alkaline grit lifts brake dust, road film, and the oxidation that turns tires brown. What remains is the deep black rubber you paid for. $1 box handles every set of tires you own for years. Number 14. Bringing tail lights back with Vaseline. Cloudy yellowed taillights look terrible and cut your nighttime visibility. A dab of ordinary petroleum jelly changes that. Spread a thin layer over the entire lens with your fingers or a soft cloth. Wait 2 to 3 minutes, then wipe clean with a microfiber. The jelly fills the microscopic surface scratches and oxidation, restoring clarity and depth almost instantly. Red lights look sharp again and throw more light. A $4 jar refreshes every lens on the car many times over. Tail light fogging is simply surface oxidation of the plastic. Number 13. Reviving trim with vegetable oil. Black plastic around windows, doors, and bumpers turns gray and chalky. Put a few drops of plain vegetable oil on a soft rag and rub it into the faded plastic with steady pressure. Let it penetrate 2 to 3 minutes, then buff off the excess so nothing feels greasy. The oil rehydrates the dried plastic and restores the rich factory black. One kitchen bottle covers every piece of exterior trim. Plastic fades because repeated washing and UV exposure pull the original oils out. Specialty restorers simply put oils back. Vegetable oil does the identical job without the $25 label. Bonus: the same past conditions rubber window seals. Number 12. Keeping your windshield fog-free with a potato. Fogged glass in rain or cold is constant frustration. Cut a raw potato in half and rub the cut side across the entire interior of the windshield in firm circles. Let it dry a minute, then buff clear with microfiber. Natural starch leaves an invisible film that stops moisture from clinging. The glass stays clear even in the worst conditions. Half a potato treats every window several times. Commercial anti-fog sprays work on the same principle. A thin barrier moisture cannot grip. Potato starch delivers it for almost nothing. The same trick works on bathroom mirrors, eyeglasses, and camera lenses. Number 11. Freeing up a corroded gas cap with WD-40. Threads that feel gritty and stiff every fill-up are almost never damaged. A light spray of WD-40 on the cap threads and into the filler neck, followed by a few twists back and forth, dissolves the corrosion and leaves a protective film. Wipe excess away. The cap turns smoothly and seals properly again. One $5 can last for dozens of treatments. A stiff gas cap is nearly always surface corrosion, not worn threads. Replacement is the easy upsell. Proper sealing also stops fuel vapor leaks that can trigger a check engine light and fail an emissions test. Number 10. The wet umbrella storage feature. Tossing a dripping umbrella on the seat or floor mat soaks the interior and starts mold and that permanent musty smell. Almost every modern vehicle has a dedicated wet umbrella slot molded into the lower door panel or along the seat track. Look for a fabric line channel or simple hook designed exactly for a folded wet umbrella. Water drains away from upholstery and carpet. The feature came with the car. Your owner's manual lists it under interior storage, a section almost no one reads. Keeping that moisture out also protects the wiring and motors under the seats. Seat position motor and harness repairs commonly run $200 to $600. One ignored factory feature prevents the entire problem. Before we keep going, hit that like button. Number 9. Silencing squeaky door hinges with Vaseline. Hinges that squeak and groan every time the door moves get worse by the week. Dab petroleum jelly onto the top and bottom hinge pins and the surrounding metal. Open and close the door several times to work it in, then wipe the excess. Friction disappears and a protective layer stays behind. Doors open and close in silence and the metal is guarded against future rust. One $4 jar lasts years. Squeaks are almost always dry metal, not failed hinges. Number 8. Dusting your dashboard with a coffee filter. Dust returns hours after every wipe and regular cloths leave lint or just move the dirt around. A plain paper coffee filter used dry glides across the dash, builds a light static charge and traps dust instead of scattering it. No lint, no residue. A $3 pack gives hundreds of cleanings. Professional detailers choose microfiber for the same static effect. Coffee filters deliver it cheaper and also clean instrument clusters, screens, and interior glass without streaks. One kitchen item replaces an entire interior detailing charge. Time to make the back of the car look expensive again. Number 7. Scrubbing your exhaust clean with aluminum foil. Black carbon-crusted tips make the whole vehicle look neglected. Crumple aluminum foil into a ball, wet it or add a little WD-40 and scrub the inside and outside of the tip with firm circles. The aluminum reacts with the carbon and oxidation while the texture polishes the metal underneath. Tips come out bright and clean. One sheet does the job multiple times. That chemical reaction is the same one used in expensive metal polishes. The identical foil method also removes oxidation from chrome bumpers, handles, and trim. Number 6. Shielding headlights from UV with wax. Yellowing and haze creep in month by month. After a thorough cleaning, apply a thin coat of ordinary car wax to the lens and buff it exactly as you would paint. The wax forms a UV barrier that dramatically slows oxidation. Repeat every few months and the heavy yellowing that forces professional restoration never develops. An $8 can protect every clear plastic surface for years. Headlight clouding is pure UV damage. Restoration only sands away the ruined layer. Wax keeps the damage from starting. Number 5. Wiping bug splatter off with a dryer sheet. Sun-baked insect residue on bumper, hood, and glass laughs at regular soap and can scratch paint if you scrub hard. Wet a fabric dryer sheet and wipe directly over the spots. The texture plus the softening agents break down the proteins and lift them cleanly. A $5 box handles dozens of cleanings. Bug remains are acidic and etch clear coat the longer they sit. Dryer sheets remove them fast. Number 4. Cleaning your AC vents with a paintbrush. Dust and debris packed inside the vents blow straight into your face. An inexpensive foam or soft craft paintbrush slides between the fins, loosens the buildup from the inside out, and a quick vacuum captures what falls free. Number 3. Restoring your rims with oven cleaner. Baked-on brake dust turns alloy or chrome brown and black and shrugs off ordinary wheel cleaners. Spray oven cleaner on the rims, wait 5 to 10 minutes, scrub with a stiff brush and rinse thoroughly. The strong alkaline formula dissolves the compounds that normal cleaners cannot touch. Metal comes back clean. A $4 can does all 4 wheels several times. Oven cleaner is simply a heavy-duty alkaline degreaser, the same chemistry sold as premium wheel cleaner at triple the price. Follow with a light wax coat and future brake dust does not bond as tightly, making every later wash easier. Number 2. That hidden floor mat locking feature. Mats that slide forward under the pedals are a genuine hazard. Most modern cars already have retention hooks or posts molded into the carpet under the driver's mat. Matching grommets or slots in the mat itself snap onto those anchors and lock the mat in place. No sliding, no replacement mats needed. The system was required by federal safety rules for years. Dealers and shops stay quiet because explaining it kills a $40 to $80 sale. Loose mats have caused real crashes by jamming pedals. The feature is free, already installed and printed in the owner's manual under floor mat installation. Use it. The single biggest money saver sits right under the hood. Number 1. Cleaning your throttle body with WD-40. Rough idle hesitation on acceleration and a sluggish feel often trace back to carbon and varnish coating the throttle body. With the engine off, locate the round housing between the air filter and intake. Spray WD-40 and wipe the bore and the throttle plate, or for heavier deposits apply directly and scrub gently with a soft brush. Let it dry, then start the engine. Smooth airflow returns, idle stabilizes, and throttle response sharpens. A $5 can handles the job many times. Store-bought throttle body cleaners are petroleum solvents chemically similar to WD-40 at 4 times the price. A clean throttle body also improves fuel economy and helps emissions numbers. 10 minutes and $5 replace an $80 to $150 service call. How many of these were completely new to you? Drop a comment and tell me which one hit hardest. If these just kept real money in your wallet, hit subscribe for more practical car knowledge that shops would rather you never hear. Your car will thank you, and the next video has even more ways to keep it running and looking like it just left the factory.